James Clay from Gloucestershire College. To be honest, I think the big trend here at the conference has been, is the lecture dead? Donald Clark basically killed and attacked the format of the lecture in teaching and learning. But we saw Dave White give a very passionate defence that lectures kind of provide a social framework for people to kind of keep together. And I think that's a discussion that will keep going beyond the conference. The biggest learning event for me was actually a symposium on ebooks that I ran. In order to get, one of the reasons I run symposiums is to elicit feedback from what other people are doing and learn new things. So it's that kind of ebook symposium with a few other ebook areas that made me think there's many more things that we can do with these devices.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Rob Englebright. I'm from JISC. Trending topics, hard to say because I've only just got here, but following on Twitter, there seemed to be an uproar about the role of lectures. And that caused quite a good debate, whether the initial discussions were great in the first place. As I say, I've only just got here, so my great learning experience is going to be the only one I've been to, which was quite good actually. It was an investigation into games-based learning and the underpinnings of that. Very, very interesting indeed.
And look cross-eyed. Adam Bailey from the University of Brighton. I think the emerging trends from this conference were certainly looking at web conferencing, and there's a continued shift away from the use of technology towards pedagogy and learning design, so there were lots of sessions on that. My favourite session, just been in, was the games session, where you're designing a game using 140 characters and some constraints, and that was based around changing learning design and doing some interesting things.
Richard Jones, Buxton University in High Wycombe. Hi. Trends here, I think it was quite mixed. They talked about sea change, and I think it's really, the trend was how can we do more with less, and how can we support our colleagues in their CPD. That's the main thing here, is that all along supporting colleagues to use technology when they've even got less. All right? I'm getting a vocal background from a crowd behind here, so that's great. My best experience was Diane L'Oreal's curriculum design session. It was a workshop where they integrated how to design a learning event. It had some artificial intelligence in, and the feedback you got was a pictorial diagram where you're covering things like creativity, acquisition, etc. And that was really, really good, because then you could feed it in all sorts of ways. You could actually look at peer observation and say, well, you've done this, you thought you were being creative, but really you did 90% lecturing, and it was really, really good, and I like that. And we want to integrate that with what we're doing with student feedback. So I hope everything's well with you. He has behaved himself at the conference, Carsten, but, well, for most of the time anyway. So see you.